So, I'm going to do a video on the Garden Groom Pro. I just got it yesterday, unpacked it. At first I was a little disappointed because there was a cardboard piece around here taped to it. I think it was just for protection. I took it off and this piece was hanging out. Yeah, but I could snap it back in and it seems like it's okay. Must just been a instruction mistake, or it just came out in transport, I don't know. Anyway, I did a lot of searching on the internet about it, and I decided to buy it anyway. A lot of people did a lot of criticizing. Okay, one thing I noticed that people complain that it's pretty heavy. I think it's not heavier than a normal machine that you would cut the hedges with. But you can try to weigh it here. Put it on 0. And they say it weighs 3.5 kilos. And you can see it weighs 3.75 kilo, almost 4 kilos. But like I said, it doesn't feel heavier to me than a normal machine for doing that type of work. The blades, one thing I'm worried about is getting replacement blades for it, because I'm not sure how long they're going to hold. They are pretty thin. I don't know if you can see that, but they are sharp. I can feel it, and they're pretty sharp. For the speed it'll be turning, I think it'll cut pretty good. It's just how long they will stay sharp. I mean, I can sharpen them a few times myself, but still I'd like to have some replacement blades. The guard here feels pretty strong. No, the plastic, I was concerned that the plastic wouldn't hold much, but this plastic is pretty strong too, I think. 2 safety switches here for the left hand or the right hand, depending. And then you have to push the button forward, and then the finger trigger from the bottom. There's a light, but I think you know it's running when it's when you turn it on, because it's loud enough. It says it turns 2900 RPMs, but made in China. Garden Groom Ltd, because I'm in Europe, and apparently it's made and sold through the UK. The sticker on it has the UK on it. Anyway. So, to remove the collector bin, there's a little clip here. I'll turn it upside down. You can just pop it off. And it's really just sitting on there. There's a little pin here that has to go into a hole. Doesn't hold much clippings. I mean, if you use the bin, I think every 5 minutes you will probably have to empty it, or maybe more often. And that is here the adapter for the hose. And that's the hole there. And again, you have a pin that has to go into a hole. Push it in a little bit. Everything okay there? Looks good. that's for the hose. Then I think it'll be lighter now. Shall we weigh it again? See if it's lighter. Okay, again, turn on my scale. Put it on there. Balance it. Yeah, now it's 3.6. I think they weighed it without the collector bin on it. Take it back off. And weigh it without anything on it. Okay. Oh, 3.3 without collector bin. Okay, here's the Garden Groom. The light I talked about before, it lets you know you have power. Here in Germany, it's delivered with a short cord, and in the UK I heard it's delivered with a 10-foot cord or something. I don't know about the States. Okay, here we have the one-hand safety, has to be on. Then you have the safety switch here. Then you have to push up on the button on the bottom. So the light always stays on, so you know you have power. Yeah. You see how loud it is? One has a brake stop. When you let go of the trigger, it stops at 1. Also heard some people complaining that that their machine keeps turning. So you see, it stops at once. It's about as loud as a vacuum cleaner. 500 watt. I don't know if you can see the blades. Here. Here's some holes here. You can feel a lot of wind coming out. So I think it will suck in the clipping pretty